Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix slow performance in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing slow performance or lagging issues with your iPhone, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to go to your settings app here, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. Because sometimes it might be your software issue. There's any pending software update, so you might see these type errors. So once you updated your software, simply go back from here and you have to go to battery section, go to power mode, and just try to disable low power mode from here. If you have enabled, just try to disable low power mode. After that, just simply go back, go to accessibility, go to motion, and just try to disable this reduce motion option from here. So once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can go to your settings app, go to screen time settings, go to container privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here because sometimes it might be that your iPhone processing have been restricted due to these restrictions. So you just have to disable these restrictions from here, then go back and just scroll up or swipe up and try to close all the recent apps. Then try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches or to have a fresh restart. Now to do this, just quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After your phone has been restarted, just unlock your phone and you have to retry to check if issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to go to your settings app and very first go to apps section and here just scroll down and look for Safari or your own browser. In my case, I'm using Safari, so I'm gonna open my Safari app here. Just scroll down and look for clear history and website data. Just tap on this option, then tap on all history and just select clear history from here. So it will clear all the website data of your browser. So sometimes it might be that your browser website data includes some bugs or some malwares. It will be fixed in the step. After that, just simply go back and here you have to go to your general settings, go to iPhone storage, and you just have to try to remove unnecessary or unknown apps. So if you found any unknown app here, so it might be that the app is just a malware or a virus. Just try to remove that from here. Or if you find some unnecessary apps, so you can also try to remove unnecessary apps from here. Just tap on the app, then tap on delete the app, and then tap on delete again, and the app will be completely deleted from your iPhone. So it will fix the lagging issue or the slow performance issue of your iPhone, and after that you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.